You are at your open house and couple walks in. You give them a sign-up sheet, some sort of form to collect their information. Now you do that with every person who walks into your open house. Now imagine that instead of giving them a form, you give them an iPad or your phone that has app running that will collect their information, and the leads information will go into your kvCore automatically. The app is called Core Open House. So here I am on my iPad in App Store, and we will search for Core Open House. All right. And this is the one we're looking for. I already have installed, that's why it's saying open. Otherwise, it'll say you might see get. Okay. And this is the app we're looking for, Core Open House. When the app opens the first time, it will ask you for your login, and the login is same as your kvCore login. Once you log in, this is the window will come. So to start open house, you need an address of the property or MLS number. Once you enter address or MLS number, you want to click start, and confirmation will pop up. If this is the right property, you can click on wrong property and it will go back. You enter your MLS number or address, click start, confirm. Just in case if you want to change the property, you can use this button. Now in this window, we will turn on the questions, right? The information that we need. First one is name, it's already there, required. Email is already there, required. Phone number, we can turn the switch on. If you want to make it required, you can make it required, okay? Or you can leave it off. Are you currently working with a real estate agent? You can turn that on. Where did you hear about this open house? You can turn this on. I'm turning everything on just to show you, but you can turn less or more as you like. Minimum, you will need name and email. Otherwise, how would you contact them? So, all right, we'll click on next. On this page, it shows us the property listing price. I'll turn it on just to show you what it looks like. Bedroom, bathroom, yes. Square footage, yes. We'll click next. Now this is very important. You want to enter hashtag. All right. Now I will enter open house and click add hashtag. You can enter many hashtags you like, and we will click launch. We will create a pin here. I'm just going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and launch. And this is how the sign-in sheet looks like. And as you can see, this looks a lot better than handing somebody a paper, a sheet, a form, right? So it shows you the image, address, the price, bedroom, bathroom, square footage, and of course your information. So I enter information, just said first name test 5, last name Singh, email, phone number, are you working with the agent? No. And word of mouth, where did you hear from us? Word of mouth. Okay, and we will click submit, and that's it. And after a couple seconds, it goes back to the sign-in sheet. We're ready for the next one. So here I am in my kvCore, and if we go on our smart CRM, and right here we'll see test sync, test 5 sync. All right, status already given prospect. Okay, now keep this in mind. Okay, status prospect. Now if I click on it, we'll go in, and here you can see it kvCore automatically creates the log. Okay, they were looking at this property, hashtag open house that we gave was added as another hashtag, open house, MLS number, and the date. This hashtag was automatically signed by the app. Okay, contact attended open house, campaign added 001 open house lead copy. So campaign automatically was signed. and I will show you this campaign, what it does. Validation ran, okay, everything is good. And if you look here, active campaign 001 open house leads copy. That's the campaign is running. If you are getting value out of this tutorial, please consider subscribing. I only have 11.2% of my viewers subscribed. 89.9% of viewers has not subscribed. So please, if you are getting value out of this, consider subscribing. It motivates me to make more of these tutorials. Thank you so much. Now let's go back. I'll show you this campaign. This is the one that got activated, the copy. This one didn't. Now, if you don't know how to make smart campaigns, I'll leave a link in the description. Also, I'll leave a card on the top that you should watch and learn how to make these campaigns. In that video, I actually show how to make this open house lead campaign, and this one didn't get triggered. This is the one that got triggered. So let's click on it, and I will go edit. Okay, and look here. In the last tutorial, we use advanced trigger. In this one, I just use hashtag open house. That's it. We do want to add a trigger. Let's say this lead start interacting with you. Now you want this campaign to stop because all the touches, the emails and texts are, we're trying to engage with the lead. Now the person is talking back. We want to stop this campaign. That's the reason we have always run no. But how will this campaign stop? How will it know? Either we do it manually, but we don't want to do it manually, right? Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go add trigger. We'll add for status is prospect, hashtag is open house, and this should automatically trigger this campaign. So our status is prospect, hashtag is open house. As soon as the status changes, campaign will stop. That's why we say always run to no. Otherwise, if we say yes, it doesn't matter what changes, it'll just keep on running. Next, 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 finish. We'll go back to my campaigns. Okay, and now I will click on open house. Now this is the campaign we created in the last video, which I will leave the link in the description. And I'll click on edit. And here, the mistake is status is a new lead. And sometimes it just doesn't work. Even if you change the lead manually to new lead, campaign doesn't start. So you're going to have to run some tests, see what works, what doesn't work. But I'll show you what you can do. Let's go back to our CRM. I'll click on testing. Okay, and testing, see, hashtag open house. There's no campaign running. Active campaign, nothing, right? So what we'll do, if this happens to your leads, the campaigns are running. So make sure you click on your lead and see the log. Did the campaign start or it didn't start, right? So in this case, it didn't. So we'll click on add, and we'll click add campaign, and here you will see your campaigns. Okay, you choose one, whichever you want to start, click on it, add, and done. Here we go, campaign started. Now I will show you what it looks like once emails are going out and everything. I will click on myself. That's another thing, add yourself in your smart CRM and run some campaigns, run some alerts, and see what the emails, what the other end looks like, how it works. This is the only way you will learn. This is how I learn, to be honest with you. Here we go, property, open house, standard, hashtag added, everything was happening. And here we go, text sent, okay, email sent. You can click on the view, see what the email was, right? And if you see this symbol, it means the email was open. This is open envelope, so the lead opened the email. If it was gray, this envelope will be closed and gray. That means the email is not open. Okay? Another email sent, text message sent, email sent, and all this happened by itself. Smart Campaign did this. I have not sent any other email by myself. Okay? And if all the emails are getting open, that means the client is looking at your email, which is good news. Sooner or later, when they're ready, they will respond. Okay? Now let's click on test 5 sync, the lead we just created today, and let's see what happened. Here we go. So email is sent, thank you email has sent, and it's black, gray, right? It's not open yet, right? Here I am on my client side, the email I gave, and this is the email I got. Hey, test 5, thank you for visiting me at the open house. Please let me know if you have any question about the property or any other property you like to see. Right? Here's the email. This is myself as a lead. I'm showing other side. So, hey, Kamaldeep, right? And thank you for visiting me open house. So on. That was the first email. Here's the second email, right? Third email. So all these emails were sent by Smart Campaign. That's the whole point. Automate your follow-up. Save yourself time. Let kvCore do it for you. And soon as you get email back from the client, you have warm lead. If you want to learn how to make smart campaigns, don't forget to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.